Here are 10 healthy holiday food alternatives that pack flavor without all the excess calories. Roasted Brussels sprouts, tossed with olive oil, garlic, and a pinch of sea salt. Roasted Brussels sprouts make a crispy, savory side that's nutrient-rich and low in calories. Cauliflower mash, a lighter substitute for mashed potatoes. It's creamy and satisfying without the heavy cream and butter, plus it's packed with fiber. Quinoa stuffing, instead of traditional bread stuffing, try quinoa mixed with cranberries, nuts, and herbs for a protein-packed, gluten-free option. Baked sweet potatoes, skip the marshmallow topping and roast sweet potatoes with cinnamon and a drizzle of honey for a naturally sweet, vitamin-rich side. Green bean almondine, fresh green beans tossed with toasted almonds and a squeeze of lemon juice create a crunchy, bright side that's full of vitamins. Roasted butternut squash soup, creamy and warm. This soup uses roasted butternut squash, carrots, and coconut milk for a velvety texture without the cream. Herb-crusted turkey breast, opt for roasting just the turkey breast, seasoned with fresh herbs and olive oil, for a leaner but still flavorful main course. Greek yogurt parfait, layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of granola for a protein-packed, light dessert alternative. Cranberry chutney, skip the sugary canned cranberry sauce and make your own chutney with fresh cranberries, orange zest, and a touch of honey for natural sweetness. Pumpkin custard, enjoy the taste of pumpkin pie in a lighter form by baking a pumpkin custard made with almond milk and a touch of maple syrup, without the crust. These dishes bring festive flavors while keeping things healthier, allowing you to enjoy the holiday season without the guilt. By swapping out heavy ingredients for lighter, nutrient-dense options, you can indulge in satisfying meals that nourish your body. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.